Getting the most out of your DJI Power 1000 starts with pairing it to the DJI Home App. Let's walk through the simple setup so you can track power, control charging, and stay connected anywhere. Press and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds to turn the DJI Power 1000 on or off. Once powered on, the display screen will light up automatically. You can also press the power button once to control the display screen separately. Scan the QR code or download the DJI Home App from your phone's App Store. Android users can also get the APK file from DJI's official website. Just enable Install from unknown sources to complete installation. After downloading, open the app, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, then register or log in to your DJI account. In the app, tap Add Device to start searching. If needed, use the icon in the top right corner to switch the pairing device type. Once the Power 1000 appears, complete Bluetooth pairing, then connect it to Wi-Fi by entering your password. Finally, name your device, and you'll see the home page showing battery level, port usage, and connection status. That's all it takes to pair your DJI Power 1000. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one.